In this video, I'll show you 3 free powerful AI tools that lets you generate good quality AI videos, images and audio all in just one click. Whether you are a content creator, marketer or just love AI, this is the easiest way to bring your ideas to life. I will be showing you on how to get access to this tool and how to use it, so you can create AI videos, images and audio without spending money. Also make sure to subscribe and like the video cause you will love it. Let's dive in. The first tool is called Lumen. This tool helps you create images for free. What we are going to do is we'll head over to this create. We'll click on this create button and you're going to describe your image the way you want it to look. This is exactly what I want this AI to generate for me. Let us go ahead and send it and see what it is going to generate right now. You can actually do this with your phone because that is actually what I'm using to create this fantastic image right here. You don't need any laptop. Look at how it created all the details I asked it to create without mistaking any of them. This is very fantastic and you guys should try it out, and it is also free. As of now, I'm making the video. I don't know for in the future whether they're going to be paying for it later on. Let us head over to the next tool. Let us head over and describe the type of image we want this AI to generate for us without wasting any of your time. This is the image Google Image FX created for us. With my own opinion, I will say that this one looks more realistic and more good than the Lumen tool. For the last AI tool we are going to be using is called Google AI Studio. This is it, Google AI Studio. You head over and click the first link. Click on this 3 line here and click on generate media. With this, you can actually see that you can create imaging, speech generation, which is also an audio generation, view, which is also a video, and also this type of image. There are so many of them. Let us go ahead and create an image with this imaging right here. We describe your image, paste, and you send it. Here again is a fantastic image this tool created for us. With the 3 of them, I'm now confused on which one to pick because all of them look so good, and I don't know any other free AI tool that will help us create this type of realistic image here without even paying any money. Let us head over and create a video, or first off let us create an audio. Let's go and create an audio with this same tool. You head over to this 3 line and still this generate media, and we head over to Gemini speech generation. Here you have to delete, I think you have to delete these ones because we're not going to be using them. We're going to use our own. We enter our own prompts.
Sometimes the quietest places hold the loudest thoughts, like an old notebook with only 1 page used, or a street light that flickers even when no one...
This audio looks so real. It doesn't even sound like an AI voice. It sounds just like a human voice, which is very fantastic and very good for a free AI tool that allows you to create such fantastic audio without paying any money. Let's go and create a video. We head over to this generate media, and this time around we're going to click on view, which is also a video generator. We're going to describe the type of video we want this AI to generate for us.
A few moments later.
Let's check out this video. Guys, this is the video the AI created for me. You won't be able to believe that I created this video using AI, which I didn't pay any money for. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fantastic videos like this. Thank you and see you in my next video.